Alright, so I took 2 trades today. The first one, you can see I'm in it. We broke through the point of control zone on ES, and I got in on the pullback to it. I'm just in one micro NQ contract since I've noticed that after like 11:15, 11:20ish, my probability of winning trades goes down like a ton. So I'm just managing my risk like that. So instead of 5 contracts, I went down to 1. So I wanted to see more momentum, bullish momentum on ES, and I was looking at NVIDIA. You can see NVIDIA was pretty bullish. We broke through those point of control zones, and then I'm just sitting here waiting, and so I started scrolling through the Mag 7 stocks, and a few of them had resistance at the top, so that's another reason why it was a lower probability trade, and that's why I'm in a much lower size than usual. So I just pay attention and be aware of those stocks and Alright, so here the ES 3-minute candle closed, and it didn't close beneath the point of control zone that we were targeting. So I stayed in the trade, and as you can see, we started selling back down. The trade just didn't look as good after that candle closed, and we waited patiently to see if we got the bounce back up. Beneath the point of control zone, so then I just got out of it for it's a bigger loss than usual, but since we managed the risk and we were only in with one micro contract, contract, then it was a lot more manageable. So yeah. And here's my second trade today. It was after 1:30, so my kind of like timing price is lower probability after 11 and before 1:30. So between 11 and 1:30, I'm going to be in a much lower size, and then after 1:30 up to 3 o'clock, I can be in my full position size. And then obviously in the morning, right after open at like 9, between like 9:40, 9:45-ish, depending on news, and then up to 11 o'clock, I can be in full position size. So you can see we found support, we broke back through 2 point of control zones on NQ, close above that second point of control zone. I got in on the pullback to it. I'm in my full position size of 5 MNQ contracts, and I was watching all the Mag 7 stocks, and most, if not all of them, were bullish, so I was pretty confident in this trade. And you'll see I scaled 2 or 3 contracts on the first push through that point of control zone right here. I was gonna take the whole position off, but I decided to scale 3, and then I wanted to take 1 off if we came back down to that point of control zone. You'll see I take 1 more off soon, and then I just want to drill the last one. So in a minute, I take off 1 more. So we reject that level, and then I take that one more contract off at that point of control zone, and then I just have one contract stop at break even. So yeah, so it was a decent scalp. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with my patience throughout the day, especially after that disappointing loss I know it was with 1 contract, so that was good, but a loss is a loss, and you can get emotional, but I didn't revenge trade, so that was good. And yeah, I just waited for the right setup at the right time, and I executed how I wanted to. You can see I got stopped out on that last contract, and that trade was, I think, $100. So now we're up 50 on the day. We were down 50, now we're up 50. So that was, yeah. So after that trade, I was done for the day. There wasn't really much else that I was looking for. I think all the moves happened early in the morning. There was a good short opportunity and long opportunity, so patience, and good way to start the new combine.